Hey, Tracy, people have plans this weekend. Hopefully they're inside, right?
Or maybe you have a kayak, something like that, just to get around.
Something, yeah.
Rain gear. Yeah, we got tons of rainfall on the way, and that's exactly what we need, hydrologically speaking, because we are below average. But too much of a good thing is not a good thing. Let's take a look and see what's going on. Stormy weather is ahead. We got two different systems that are coming in that are going to be my focal point in telling this story. Round one, that comes in Friday evening tomorrow. That'll be in the forecast Friday night, and we'll also have showers off and on Saturday. Round two, that's the one I put the asterisk by. That's the one I'm really watching. It is expected to be the wetter and the larger of the two systems. It will come in Sunday afternoon through Sunday evening. It will be with us Sunday night, and also you'll be looking at off and on showers in the forecast on Monday. With so much rainfall coming in over this protracted length of time, we could be looking at some urban flooding. You could be looking at some rising creeks and streams. That's why your first alert action day is going to be Sunday evening, carrying over until Monday. Snow levels are going to be high, above 6,500 feet. But that snow that does come, it is going to be wet, and it is going to be compacting, and it is just going to be a mess if you're trying to get up there. Widespread rainfall expected for much of the valley into the foothills, and even thunderstorms are likely. Poor drainage will also be something we're watching. So stormy pattern develops. High pressure system moves off down to the south and the east, and here is what will set up that stormy pattern. The first line of arrows, that's our polar jet stream. This is our subtropical jet stream. They are both working together to kind of push everything out in the Pacific right in our back door. And that's why we have so many systems heading this way. Let's carve out the first one. This is Friday afternoon, Friday evening. Huge swath of moisture hitting the immediate coastline. That's a cold front. Right behind it is a low pressure system. So we'll have rainfall, heavy at times Friday evening into Friday night. You got snow showers, high snow coming up at around pass level. Saturday, another frontal boundary right here. And you got a low pressure system sitting out here. That's going to keep the showers in the forecast off and on during the day on Saturday. I know the 49ers got a big game. It's probably going to be pretty wet. Now we get to Sunday morning, and it looks like, okay, things are starting to dry up a little bit. You transition from the heavy rainfall to light rainfall, illustrated by the deeper shade of green to the lighter shade of green. You got a little blue in here. That's genuine snowfall coming in again around 7,000 feet. And then all of a sudden, that light green goes to a dark green, and that's when that other system, round two, comes in, and this is the one we're really watching that could encourage, unfortunately, some local flooding issues, and it's also going to be pretty gusty as far as your winds around 30 to 40 miles per hour, and you put all of those things in play. That's why our first alert action day is Sunday evening into Monday. Snow levels coming in around 6,500 feet, but who's picking up what? Well, Blue Canyon, you're not going to have a lot, about 2 inches. Donner, about 8 to 16 inches. Truckee, this is not a big event for you. You'll have mostly a rain and snow mix. Kirkwood, there's my bullseye, up to 30 inches and 5 to 10 inches possible coming in for Bear Valley. Take a look at your 7-day forecast. Active weather still in the forecast past Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, even though the opportunity and the probability for showers will diminish quite a bit. But pretty active weekend, Dom.
All right. Thanks so much. Well,